umangat agad. Wala, umangat agad guys. Second trade natin, secure guys, secure. Guys, nag-break even na ako. Kahit bumalik pa yan, hindi na ako may SL. So, set your SL to break even. $8, $7. Good job. It's still going up, guys. Still going up yung trade natin. So, guys, we hit 150. Lumipad na. Yes, may runner pa ako, guys. May runner pa ako. Isang 0.01. Ilan na yan? Admin, ilan na po yan? Nakapag-secure naman lahat, guys. So, sana walang ma-SL, ha? Utang na loob. Wala pong may SL, walang magpapasaway. So guys, we hit 300 pips sa ating second trade. So yung first trade natin kanina is 240 pips. So ano yung ibig sabihin ng 300 pips? So kung na 0.01 ka lang, it means na you can get as much as $30 sa isang trade pa lang natin. So, congrats po sa mga nakasabay. So meron dito mga nag-submit kanina, $79, $16, 37 CAD, $8, $12. Good job, guys. Naka $243 ako ngayon sa stream natin. So, kota na ako. Hindi ko nagagalawin yung isang account ko na yun. So, keep on sharing, guys, ha.